This is a quick unboxing of the new Xbox Series X. A much needed upgrade to the Microsoft Xbox line, the Series X is the strongest of the two brand new consoles. Inside the box, you can see the main Xbox and the accessory box right next to it. First is the power cable and the brand new HDMI 2.1 cable. This is important for 4K 120, so keep the cable. Next up is the new Xbox Series X controller. Not much has changed from this controller from the Xbox One, and yes, it does include two AA batteries. This controller mimics the Elite controller in some ways. Two AA batteries. For traditional warranty and manual guide for the Xbox. And up next is the Xbox itself. The quick controller guide. As you see, the Xbox is rather blocky. Some quick advertisement surrounding the plastic. There you have it. Nice green paint at the top. There it is, the Xbox Series X. Pretty minimal. There's not much to this console. As you see, power button, disk drive, eject button. And there's all the accessories it comes with. Here's the 2.1 cable to unlock the full potential. Thanks again for watching this video. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe.